Hello guys, it's your girl A Marie, and I wanted to show you guys what the hair looked like when I put it on, guys. So this is the one that I made the other day, and this is my dome cap wig, guys. And I tell you, it has a rotating part where I can rotate it in different ways. So it's a very full wrap. Uh, it's very full. I like to have it like really, really full. So guys, what I mean when I say rotating wigs, I always wear mine to the left. But for women that don't want theirs to the left, guys, you can move it and have it in the center. You can put the part in the center. You guys see that? It's in the center. Or you could take it and you can do it to the right side. But I don't wear my hair like that. I always wear mine over to the left. I don't wear it in the center, but that's what I mean when I tell you guys these are my rotating wigs. So that's what that means. You can rotate it, guys, and you don't have to wear it in the center. And this one is not glued down. When I make these wigs, I make them off your measurements. So this one is not glued down, and that's why I was able to move it. But when I do put this on and wear it, I do sew mine down. And it's not going to come off because the way it's made and the spandex is, it fits my head like a glove. But when I do wear this, I actually do take thread and I find, because my hair is braided in a circle, I find ear to ear and I sew it down from right ear going all the way around to left ear. And then if times I want it glued down in the front, I will take some glue and glue it down in the front. So I just wanted to show you guys my rotating wig and what it looked like on, guys. So I hope that you guys are having an awesome day. And then when I do sew it, guys, I put the tracks in such a way so you see that if I want to pull it back, I don't have to worry about tracks showing. And then also, if I as well wanted to take it and pin it up, you can also take it and pin it up as well. If you decided that you wanted to take it and pin it up, you can pin it up as well. So as always, thank you guys for watching, and you guys have an awesome day, guys. And remember, you can follow me on YouTube, guys. You guys can make these wigs yourself. I did a video on how I made this wig. Bye-bye. Okay, guys, here are a couple still shots of the wig. And you guys can make this wig yourself. Follow me on YouTube. Or for these wigs, I normally charge $100 to make, and the customer sends me the hair and I ventilate the top part. So you guys have an awesome day and make great wigs. Thanks for watching.